Today, we take you inside a luxury leather factory to show how premium jackets are made through a precise, high-end production process.
A masterpiece emerges. Crafted to perfection. Where craftsmanship meets precision. Arrival marks the beginning of transformation.
Quality starts before production begins.
Precision lives in every corner. Hands that define perfection. Machines awaken with purpose. Order drives efficiency. Every detail is measured. And the process begins. Raw form holds hidden luxury.
Texture tells a story.
Purity begins here. Strength is carefully shaped. Time refines material.
Perfection is non-negotiable.
Preparation defines precision. Accuracy guided by technology. The transformation continues.
Design shapes identity.
Vision becomes structure.
Precision meets planning. Technology ensures perfection.
Every piece has purpose.
Structure comes together.
Craftsmanship verifies machines.
Preparation meets execution. Flow remains uninterrupted.
Creation takes form.
Precision in every stitch. Strength through detail. Pieces become one. Smoothness defines elegance. Structure evolves.
Symmetry is essential. Human and machine unite. Only perfection moves forward.
Flow never stops.
Function meets design. Luxury reveals itself.
Details define class.
Nothing escapes attention.
Perfection refined.
A mark of excellence.
Form meets elegance.
Every angle reviewed.
Technology confirms perfection. Luxury preserved. Ready for the world.
A masterpiece emerges.
Crafted to perfection.
Every detail speaks.
A legacy of excellence.
Built by dedication. Ready to travel the world.
Luxury begins its journey. From raw to remarkable.